guys, welcome back to another episode of Get Glassy, which is still your girl again, Blessing. Welcome back to this channel where we talk about everything that has to do with skin wellness, skin beauty, and how you can get a scintillating skin. In a while I have posted, I went on a little vacation to go and see my people, and I must tell you, I had fun, I rested well, and it's always good to be in the midst of people who love you, your family members and all that. So yeah, I rested well. So let's get into today's business. So in today's episode, I'll be reviewing some beautiful shower gels or body wash that can help you, lighten your skin, brighten your skin, clean and exfoliate your skin such that your other beautiful skincare ingredients can penetrate and work effectively. Yes, I know most times it's always a challenge for you to source the best or the suitable, let me not use the word best now, the suitable body wash or shower gel for your skin. I've had people say, oh, I got the shower gel, it started giving me stretch mark. Oh, I got the shower gel, it gave me dark knuckles. Oh, I got the shower gels, it just gave me two shades, 3 shades. There's a lot of clauses or a lot of complaints around getting the best shower gel for your skin. Really, I have seen people who because of shower gel only, their skin turned to a mess. Yeah, so you might just think, oh, it's only body lotions, body creams, gels and the likes that can mess up with your skin. But if you go for the wrong shower gel or you source a shower gel that is not compatible for your skin type, you might end up having some skin issues that you did not bargain for. So in this episode, I will tell you some things you need to look out for when getting a good shower gel. Then I would go ahead to also just recommend some shower gels that I feel are good. Guys, in all these my recommendations, I have no affiliation with any of the brands here. They don't pay me, I'm not advertising. I'm just bringing this out based on my research and also users feedback. So take note of that I don't have any affiliation with any brand or any product I talk about on my channel. I just come to say things that I have gotten feedbacks on. So let's quickly dive into it. So what are the things you should look out for when getting your shower gel? Yeah, so the first thing you should look out for is your skin type. Do you have a dry skin? Do you have a dehydrated skin, a cracked skin, a skin that you feel this, when you go out, you feel this dryness, you feel your face pulling you, like your body pulling you, feeling like this dryness, yeah? So if you fall into this category, you don't need to look for exfoliating or super exfoliating shower gels. You heard me right here. If you already have a dry skin, you don't have any business with a lightening or exfoliating shower gel. You see any shower gel that is written exfoliation or super exfoliating, run, because it will dry your skin the more. So that's one common mistake I see most of us do. We're already suffering from skin dryness and we'll go ahead to get things that will dry out our skin the more. Yeah, so if you fall into this category, what you should be looking out for are shower gels that are hydrating, that you see the word hydration. Yeah, those shower gels that when you come out of the shower, you use them, you feel this dewy feeling, you feel like extra water molecules are hovering around your skin. Those are the type of shower gels you should go for. And what are the key ingredients you need to look out for in such shower gels? They should contain hydrating ingredients like aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, urea, shea butter, and the likes. These are the kind of ingredients that you should be looking out for in your shower gels. You shouldn't be going for shower gels that have so much acids because your skin is already dry. Adding more acid to your skin will take out more water, because what acid does, in chemistry there's this thing that they say acid has affinity for water, which means acid loves water. So if you're going for products that already have so much acid and your skin is dried, it will take out the little water molecules that are left on the surface of your skin, and as a result of that you start having issues and you say, oh, and when I start using the shower gel, I noticed that my skin tends to dry out and breaking out. You caused it. Yeah, so that's point number one. Point number two, if your skin is very dull, yeah, or you have a lot of dead skin cells on your skin and you just notice that your skin is not glowing as it used to. Maybe you're somebody who has a radiant glowing skin, and all of a sudden, maybe as a result of stress or maybe as a result of you exposing yourself to so much sun like I did right now. I went to the north, and guys, the temperature there is above 37, 38 every fucking day. Every day, right? And I really tanned. Like right now I'm so dark. I wish you could see me off the camera. This camera is doing justice to my face. but I have really tanned, right? But I love it because sometimes it's good to tan your skin. I'm going to tell you the advantage of tanning in another video. So I'm happy I tanned my skin, but guys, at this point of my life, I need to do a lot of exfoliation because really the sun in the north dealt with me. Yeah, it dealt with me. So if you fall into that category like I am, what you should be looking out for are exfoliating shower gels, right? Exfoliating plus hydration. For my case now, I need to combine the two. I need hydration and exfoliating shower gel because when I was in the north, the temperature was very high, humidity was low, and a lot of transepidermal water loss happened, and as a result, my skin suffered. Oh my god, my skin saw hell. But I was happy, I was my family. So guys, in this case, you need shower gels or body wash that have some acid, not too much acid now. Yeah, you need shower gels that have maybe things like kojic acid, azelaic acid, tranexamic acid, licorice root extract. You need things that have shea butter as well, aloe vera to suit your skin and heal it. You need urea as well. You need ceramide, skin healing or skin barrier ingredients. You need that. I need things like allantoin. Yes, you need to put that else into consideration, and if possible peptides. Yeah, if possible peptide. So and also you need niacinamide. You need to include niacinamide to clear blemishes and hyperpigmentation, right? So these are the ingredients that you should be looking for if you have dull skin: kojic acid, azelaic acid, hyaluronic acid, and all the acid I've mentioned. And then at the same time, you need hydration ingredient because you need the combination of both to get the best result. You can't be trying to get a brightened skin or a lightened skin and you don't hydrate. So you need the combination of exfoliation and hydration. That is what I need right now to restore my skin because I have so darkened or tanned my skin and my skin is dry. And since I returned, I have been working on that. So that is number 2. The third set of people or things you need to consider when getting a shower gel are people who have acne breakout, hyperpigmentation, damaged skin barrier, or you already have sensitive skin, or your skin is susceptible to reaction easily. You just react to so many things. So if you fall into this category, then you just need a mild body wash, right? A body wash that doesn't have so much actives in it. They just have soothing ingredients. So you need things that have maybe aloe vera, niacinamide. You don't want to include kojic acid if you are susceptible to it. You want to include things like vitamin C. You want to include things like ceramide. You want to also include urea into your in that skin. You want to get a body wash that have urea and also plenty of humectants, right, like shea butter. So those are the things you would look out for when getting a shower gel. So I've talked us through 3 steps or 3 segments or factors to consider when getting a shower gel. Now to today's recommendation based on users feedback. Like I mentioned earlier, I don't have affiliation with this product. I'm just here to talk you through my feedback or users feedback. So the very first one, guys, in today's video is this one here by Skin Rehab Lightening or Whitening Shower Gel. Yeah, Skin Rehab has so many shower gels. Yeah, I know they have several, but I'll just be listing out about 6 or 4. I'll be listing about 4 or 5. I know they have up to 6 or more different shower gels depending on your skin need, right? So the first one I'll be talking about is the Skin Rehab Blemish Care Whitening Shower Gel. It has 15% glutathione. It also has goat's milk, kojic acid, and collagen. Yeah, this one is in the purple bottle. It promises to clear your blemishes, exfoliate your skin, and whiten your skin. The other one in this Skin Rehab category I'll be talking about today is the Skin Rehab Goat's Milk Shower Gel. This one, you see a goat drawn on it. It has combination of white and black, right? This one is the Skin Rehab Milk Scrub Shower Gel Snow Bleach with azelaic acid. So you take notes of the ingredients, guys, so that I've talked about the ingredient you should look out for in the beginning of the video. Now I'm telling you the type of ingredient that they compose of, so that you know which one to go for depending on your skin category, right, or your skin need. Now this one is the Skin Rehab Mix Scrub Shower Gel Snow Bleach with azelaic acid, and glycolic acid. So you see this one has more of acid. It's like an exfoliating shower gel. It has little hydrating ingredient. So if you have dry skin, you know you need to flee from this. It is anti-tatches and anti-spot, anti-eczema, anti-blemish plus final touch. So this one is like a whitening shower gel milk that is purely exfoliating, right? Purely exfoliating. So the next one is the Skin Rehab Fairness Gold, right? This one is Fairness Skin Gold. It is in a gold bottle, or yeah, gold bottle. This one is body polisher whitenizer. Body polisher whitenizer. So I'm just talking about the Skin Rehab now. It has ceramide, it has cranberry extract 2%, it has blue lotus extract, right? This one is bright skin brightening wash gel. So guys, this one is for people who want hydration, right? And good for ebony skin, dry skin, dull skin, right? It's not going to bleach you, but it's going to brighten you and hydrate your skin. Now moving to the next one is the Skin Rehab Snail White Glowing Shower Gel. Now this one comes in a pink form, and it claims to polish your body, so it's called body polish whitenizer. Now let's look at the key ingredients in this one. It has 5% niacinamide, it has cranberry extract 2%, it has cocamidopropyl-betaine, right? And this one claims to refine and brighten your skin. So from the ingredients we can see this one does like a blemish control and also hydrating. Guys, mind you, all these are 1 liter body shower gel. That is 1000 ml shower gel, right? Now the last one I'll be talking about in this category of skin rehab is the one that is in the green bottle. That one is called the Skin Rehab Niacinamide Collagen Hydrating and Glowing Shower Gel. So this one is a hydration shower gel, right? We've talked, you know, I classified all the issues that we should consider before getting a shower gel. So this one falls in the category of brightening and hydration. This one is 3-in-1 exfoliating and moisturizing with anti-aging effects. That is what this one claims. It exfoliates, it moisturizes, and it has anti-aging effect ingredients, right? It has niacinamide up to 18%. Wow. It has amino acids, Douglas Fir hydrosol. So this one is infused with a lot of hydrating and, you know, anti-aging ingredient like the amino acid. You know, I talked about peptides, right? Peptides are also forms of amino acid. Peptides are derivatives of amino acids, sorry. Yeah, so you can see that Skin Rehab has different shower gel that addresses different skin needs. So you decide which one to go for, right? So we've talked about the Skin Rehab, and we talked about, I think, 5 of the variants. They have a lot, but I'll just skip it at this 5. Now going to the next shower gel I'll be reviewing. So I'll be reviewing 3 shower gels because the first one I talked about have like 5. So I'll be talking about 3. The next one, guys, is this one here by Gluta White plus glutathione whitening shower bath. So this one is different from that Gluta White that we know that comes in a gold. This one comes in a yellow bottle. This one has more of glutathione, right? This particular one is an exfoliating shower wash. It's shower bath, right? It has some grits in it, and I think it's pretty new and very exfoliating. So this one can lighten you. In fact, it has tendency of giving you tooth bleaching. So if you know you already have a dry skin, you want to mix it with a hydration shower gel or something that is more hydrating, because it can dry your skin up, but it will definitely lighten you. So this one has more glutathione infused in it. Now to the very last one for today is this Frusia shower wash. I don't know whether it's Frusia or Frusia. I think it should be Frusia. It wants to sound like a German name because I see the umlauts on it. Like if you know German alphabet, there's something called umlauts, right? You have the A umlaut, the U umlaut, and the right. Like, so you see those 2 dots there, they are the umlaut sign. So it's sounding like an umlaut. So it's like Frusia, right? So it's like Frusia shower cream, right? This Frusia shower cream has different variant like the first one, which is the Skin Rehab we talked about. It has the one in the white and blue, which is the double moisturizing shower gel or shower cream, right? This one has its key ingredient as seaweed, right? And we know seaweed is very good for, you know, helping with inflammation. It helps with acne and the likes, right? Now the second one is the Fuchsia double moisturizing shower cream with the green tea, right? We know green tea helps with inflammation. So if you have acne, you have uneven skin tone, you have stretch mark, you want to go for this one. Then you have the Fuchsia double moisturizing shower cream with goat's milk, right? This one also is called the UV white. So this one has a tendency of lightening your skin because it's a goat's milk, right? It has beautiful ingredients which I won't be mentioning. And then the very last one is the Fuchsia double moisturizing shower cream with goat's milk and feminine. So that other one is goat's milk with UV, while this one is goat's milk and feminine, right? So all these shower creams or shower body wash or shower gel, whatever you call them, are very good shower wash. From users reviews, they are mild, they're not too harsh to your skin, and they cleanse deeply and subtly at the same time. So guys, have you used any of the shower wash? Tell us in the comment section what your experience was. We want to hear from you. And if there's any body wash or shower gel you have used that has given you positive result, please drop the name in the comment section so that other people in this community would also benefit from it, right? And if you have a product you want me to make a review of, please drop the name and I will show you that and, you know, come back and give you my honest findings. Now until I come your way next time, it's still your girl Chifo. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share if you found this video helpful. Bye for now.